So before going to modal verbs, first let us see what are auxiliary verbs. An auxiliary verb is the one that helps the main verb of a sentence to form its tense, mood or voice, etc. So, an auxiliary verb is a helping verb which is used with a main verb in a sentence to express the tense, that is the timing of the action, or the mood. Your mood means whether the sentence is in commanding order or a request or a permission or a possibility. And to express voice, whether the sentence is an active or passive voice. So commonly there are few auxiliary verbs like be, have, do, can, may, must, shall, will, ought, dare, need. So these are the commonly used auxiliary verbs. So now let us go to the two different types of auxiliary verb. They are primary auxiliary verb and modal auxiliary verbs. What are primary auxiliary verb? There are three primary auxiliary verbs: do, be, and have. All three take part in the formation of various grammatical constructions, but carry very little meaning of their own. So, there are only three primary auxiliary verbs, and they are do, be, and have. But these are the verbs which helps in the formation of various grammatical constructions, no doubt. But when we use these words in single way, we find very little meaning out of them. They carry very little meaning of their own. Suppose, for example, if we use the only word do, generally we don't get a very significant meaning of it. But when we use the word do along with another verb, definitely the meaning becomes more clear. Now let us go to what are modal auxiliary. Modals are also called as modal verbs. They are a kind of auxiliary verb that is used to express ability, possibility, permission, or obligation. So, modal verbs are also a part of auxiliary verb, and with the help of modal verbs, we basically express an ability or a possibility, or when we need to seek permission, or when we show an obligation. So different modal verbs are will, would, can, could, may, might, must, shall, should, and ought. So there is a chart for you to be more clear with the uses of modal verbs. So in this chart, you can see where we are using the different modal verbs. In order to express ability, we use can or could. To express permission, again we can use can or could. When we need to express suggestion, we use could, shall. Possibility, can, could, may, might, would. So in this way, in this chart, very nicely we have been shown the uses of different modal verbs. Kindly go through the chart carefully. So, hopefully you understood what are modal auxiliaries and their uses. Please students, go through the chart properly. You will definitely come to know the various uses and along with their appropriate forms. Thank you for